Oh, I see somebody at southwest.
I see him too, right?
Knocked.
Yeah. Shooting his homie.
Good, good. One more behind that rock.
Yeah, he's behind that rock. He's got
Oh,
no
he's
body
dead, he's
armor.
dead. He's knocked out. Someone shot him with the car. He's knocked out.
Oh, there's another guy just passed him, going to the street at 210 southwest. He got shot by another team. He's down.
Okay.
Oh, he's crawling. I see
Oh,
somebody.
they're on.
Oh, I see him. I see him. I see him. Guy.
Yup, I got one knock.
Nice,
I got one knock.
There's another guy, 195.
I'm in a bad angle.
190.
I can't see.
I see 195.
I can't see
He's
him.
got no body armor either.
He's right in the open, he's in the open.
Hey, you guys keep looking down there. I'm gonna go up to make sure no one's gonna flank us. Make sure no one's in the ruins. Yeah, y'all keep looking down there. I'll look behind you. Oh, I'm getting shot at. I'm getting shot at. Oh, I'm down. Oh, right next to me. Right on my body. In this bush right in front of me. East.
East?
On me. Right in front of me. Ah, bitch. Literally like 20 yards. He's running away.
Oh god, car 98 knocked. I'm safe behind this tree if you can grab me.
I'm kind of pinned right now by these guys.
Oh, yeah, there's a guy in front of you. Yeah. Oh, how's that dead?
Nice, Joe, nice!
I'm going to Canal. I'm getting Canal.
What a frag grenade, you were a legend.
Oh, did you kill the guy that killed me?
Yeah, you got him. Hey, no, move to the left. Get in my asshole.
Yeah.
Get inside my asshole.
There you go.
There you go.
Alright, there's two guys in front of, oh, nice, he's knocked. Just leave him, don't poke. Oh, wait, good, never mind. Oh, there's a guy right in front of you. Yes, by the rock. He has a hill, downhill.
I'm going to it. Actually,
Do we know where this car 98? Where's this
Yeah,
car
I
98?
found him. He's down the hill. Directly at 210. He's really far down there.
Someone pick him.
210?
Yeah, someone pick him up.
We can stay here.
Pick him up though.
Okay.
Pick him up. He's.
He can't see me if you stay.
Okay, I'm coming.
Yeah, I'm coming.
I'm looking at your character. You have a bullet in your head. You have a big old red spot on your head.
He wrecked me.
Hey, Kunal, you watch me. I'll res straight.
I'm already there, dude. I'm in his asshole. Am I safe, Trey?
Yeah, you are.
Yeah.
Okay.
Joe's not.
Joe, why
Joe.
are you here? Joe,
You're
get
not
the
safe.
Fuck out of here.
Alright, make it.
Okay.
Step to the right a little bit, Joe,
He
so I can
was,
see.
like, straight down the hill.
Step to the right.
Okay.
There we go. Oh, not too far. Okay, never mind. Alright, they were down that hill, so they have to go left to go back up to the hill. That's still, the hill's too steep.
I'm making a move. Oh, I see him to my left. Oh my god, there's like 3 of them.
Where are they? Oh.
Downhill to the left.
To my
Joe.
left, to my left. There's a whole team.
Downhill to the left there. Right
I
first.
see one.
Nice. Oh, friend to the right to the tree. Joe. Joe, you had like 40
see
bullets.
Oh, I got him, dude.
Hey, another guy went up the hill. He's at the rock.
105 east.
I got him. I'm getting shot at from somewhere.
Joe got killed. Someone from up the hill.
Oh, he's behind this tree to the east of me. Trey, that's the last guy on the team.
Right there.
Oh my god, he's one shot.
Okay.
Don't
I'm
pull your
dying
pen out.
pretty quick. Nice. You got me. Beautiful. 7, 6, 5, 4. He's safe. He's not pushing.
Alright, you guys should all three
Where's that
split.
shot from?
Go, Joe, look straight. Right there.
Killed him.
Nice.
Alright, there's one more. It's hiding. Everyone heal up. Oh, get in the
Yeah.
bubble first.
I'm taking this guy's helmet.
Joe, yeah, 15 seconds before the bubble starts eating you.
Let's go together, guys. Let's go together. Like, handhold, okay? There's one guy left. Handhold. Joe, we're waiting on you. Okay, cool.
Come on.
Ah, fucking bitch. I heard footsteps and he killed me.
Listen for him?
Up the
Shots?
hill. He's behind me. Up the hill.
Up the hill of the tree.
Yeah,
I don't see him.
In between
There's a
15 and 10.
Can you mark it?
30. Yeah. He's right in front of me. I'm looking directly at him. 15 and 30 behind a tree.
Okay.
I'm gonna push
Can't
for
see
him.
right now. He's hiding.
Yeah.
No, don't push, Joe. Just stay together. Oh, okay. Actually, no, you're right.
There's 3
I'm
to
pushing
1.
up.
Joe, he's to your right. That's where that tree was. Yeah, he's over there somewhere.
I'm gonna draw him out. I'm moving.
At northeast 60, Joe.
You said 60?
Where's he?
I'm looking straight out. If you can see, I'm like moving right towards the tree that it's right in front of me.
Just throw a grenade. Oh, who has a grenade? Just throw a
I
grenade.
got grenades.
There we
I
go.
see like. Oh shit.
Oh, shit.
Hey, bad nade, Joe. Move.
Well,
Joe,
Joe,
move
back
away.
up, back up, back up,
Move
back up,
away.
back up. Nice. There we go.
Yummy, yummy.
And I got 3 kills, dude.
Hey,
Legit.
dude, that's 4 days in a row. Chicken dinner for
Three
me.
kills, boys.
Yeah. And I have it saved.
5.